Tollywood is buzzing with wedding festivities, and this time, Allu Sirish is all set to tie the knot with his fiancée, Nainika Reddy, on 6th March. The pre-wedding celebrations have already begun in full swing at the Allu residence in Hyderabad. Allu Sirish shared glimpses of his traditional Peli Koduku ceremony on social media, where close family and friends gathered to bless the groom-to-be. Among the guests were some of Tollywood's biggest stars. Newlyweds Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda attended the ceremony, bringing their blessings to the couple. Also attending were Allu Arjun and his wife Sneha Reddy, along with Ram Charan and Upasana Konidela. The celebrations were full of love, laughter, and togetherness. So, what exactly is the Peli Koduku ceremony? It's a traditional ritual celebrated in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, similar to the Haldi ceremony. During this event, turmeric paste is applied to the bride and groom as part of purification rituals before the big day. The wedding festivities kicked off earlier with the Pasupu ceremony at Sirish's home. Close family and friends gathered to mark the official start of the celebrations. And the celebrations don't stop there. Allu Sirish recently announced a grand pre-wedding reception at Allu Studios on 2nd March. Here's what he had to say about it. Nainika and I are having an intimate wedding with family and friends on 6th March. But we are excited to celebrate our pre-wedding reception with the Telugu film industry prestigiously at Allu Studios on the 2nd March. Speaking of weddings, Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda, who recently tied the knot in a dreamy Udaipur ceremony on 26th February, are all set to host their grand reception in Hyderabad on 4th March. Expect a star-studded event, with several big names from the Telugu film industry in attendance. Tollywood weddings are truly a celebration of love, tradition, and glamour. Stay tuned for more updates on these exciting wedding events. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest news from Tollywood's biggest celebrations. S.S. Rajamouli is taking his epic movie Varanasi to new, unexplored heights, or should we say, depths, as the film heads to Antarctica for a groundbreaking shoot. This will be a first for Indian cinema, and it's already creating waves worldwide. The exciting news was confirmed by none other than Priyanka Chopra. In a fun exchange with co-star Mahesh Babu, Priyanka hinted at the film's next destination. After Mahesh praised her performance in The Bluff, Priyanka responded, "Thank you, my friend. See you soon in Antarctica." And just like that, the team's big secret was out. So, yes, Varanasi is officially headed to the South Pole. The team, including Mahesh Babu, Priyanka Chopra, and Prithvi Raj, will brave the extreme cold and harsh conditions to shoot parts of this epic adventure. The film's teaser has already given us a sneak peek of the Ross Ice Shelf, which plays a major role in the narrative. Varanasi is a time-traveling saga blending mythology and sci-fi, where our heroes explore an ancient civilization buried under the ice after an asteroid hit the shelf in 2027 CE. Rajamouli's decision to shoot with IMAX cameras will truly showcase Antarctica's mesmerizing landscapes, ensuring this will be a visual spectacle like never before. In a recent interview, Priyanka revealed that the team has already completed 14 months of filming and has just 6 months left before production wraps. Varanasi is set for release in April 2027, and fans can't wait to see the magic unfold on screen. This is going to be one wild, unforgettable ride. Stay tuned for more updates on Varanasi as it makes history in Antarctica. After their stunning wedding in Udaipur on 26 February, newlyweds Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna have been sharing their love-filled journey with fans. The couple flew to Hyderabad, where they first visited the Tirumal Tirupati Devasthanam temple in Jubilee Hills. But their journey didn't stop there. On Monday, they headed to Vijay's native village, Thummanpet in Telangana. This is where Vijay has built a beautiful farmhouse, and a housewarming ceremony took place. The couple was welcomed with traditional rituals by the elders of the village. Vijay was seen in a pastel green kurta, while Rashmika looked stunning in a dark blue traditional silk sari with a copper finish. Fans gathered outside to catch a glimpse of the happy couple, making it a heartwarming moment for all. Videos of their visit to Thummanpet have gone viral, with fans excited to see the newlyweds in such a personal, intimate setting. But the celebrations aren't over yet. On 4th March 2026, Vijay and Rashmika will host a grand wedding reception in Hyderabad. The event will be strictly invite-only, as police have advised tighter controls due to public excitement and security concerns. Rashmika shared a heartfelt post about Vijay, saying, "The man who taught me what true love feels like, the man who showed me what being in peace feels like." Vijay, in his post, wrote, "I needed her just to feel that sense of home and calm, no matter where I was." The couple's journey continues to melt hearts. Stay tuned for more updates from their beautiful celebrations. In the wake of the escalating Israel-Iran conflict, several Bollywood stars have found themselves stranded in the UAE, facing travel disruptions. Amid all this uncertainty, actors Isha Gupta, Sonal Chauhan, Nora Fatehi, and Erica Fernandez have taken to social media to assure fans of their safety. Isha Gupta shared her experience being stuck in Abu Dhabi, admitting it's not a pleasant situation but praising the local authorities for their calm and efficient handling of the situation. She wrote, Isha acknowledged the efforts of the UAE government, saying, how well the situation in Hush Abu Dhabi is managed shows how powerful the country is as how calmly they are protecting everyone. Sonal Chauhan, too, reassured her fans that she is safe in Dubai, urging people to remain calm. She posted. She further added, there's nothing to panic about. Surely, Dubai is the safest place in the world. Noura Fatehi, who has been deeply moved by the recent events, clarified that she's currently in India and away from the region. She expressed her concern for the people affected by the conflict, saying, she also highlighted the emotional toll this ongoing unrest has had on the world, mentioning one chaotic event after another, one conflict after another, and one tragedy after another. Actor Erica Fernandez, who moved to Dubai in 2023, also reassured her followers. While the situation is unsettling, she praised the UAE government's quick response. Erica stated. She added, it's scary. The sounds of interceptions are real and they're jarring. But we are staying calm, staying safe, and following all guidelines. Though the situation remains uncertain, these stars are reminding everyone to stay calm, trust local authorities, and continue following safety guidelines. We are all hoping for peace and safety for everyone affected. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to send your prayers to those going through tough times.